Hi, this is a walkthrough of MyMaths task 1741, homework making tree diagrams. If I just get onto that page, we can see the number up here, 1741. So when you first log in, you try to do a MyMaths task. This appears in the address bar at the top. So it tells you the number of the task and it tells you the actual name of the task as well. So if you want me to do videos, just tell me those two things and I'll have a look into it. Right, this first tree diagram I thought was pretty terrible. I've never ever seen one of these before, so this is not something that would probably happen in exams, one would think. What's happening here is the table shows how 3 students travel to school each week. Complete the tree diagram to show the different ways each student travels. So all I've got to put in these two things is how the kid gets to school. So Fran, for example, goes by bus and by car. She doesn't go any other way, so I'm just going to put a bus there and I'm going to put a car there. I'm going to actually put capitals because it says capitals on there, so probably won't make a difference the capital letters or not. And that's it for that bit. So Lucy, the way she travels is by car and walking. So you've got she goes by car. Oops, so Lucy is a car and a walk. I'm going to get rid of that one. Oh, no, come on, get right. Delete there and put a walker there. And Zach comes in by car and by train, so car and train for Zach, and that's all that one is. Again, I've not seen one of these ones before, so this is the first time I've looked at this thing, and I'm not really that happy with how that one was set up. But there we go. The next one, so it was important to read the question there really. The next one, so this is a better one, 2-stage tree diagrams. This is what we normally used to, and if there was a bit more, I'll tell you what I would do at the end as well, just to show you what's going on here. So for a start, we know probabilities always add to 1, so we've got 0.7, so I need 0.3 here to get up to 1. So that one's got to be 0.3. On this one, on the colour spinner number 2, we've got 0.4, and we've got 2 blanks here, but if we look at the tree diagram, this is spinner 2 here, we can see the green is 0.2 and the purple is 0.4, so we can put those up here and that'll get us the marks there. So we haven't really done much there for those marks, 0.4. And again, that does add up to 1. 4, 4 and 2 is 10, so 1.0 when you add them up. Then I just need to transfer these down to here. So spinner 1 red is 0.7, so I'm going to put 0.7 there. Oops, 0.7. The spinner 2, we've got green is 0.2, 0.4 and then 0.4 again. 0.4, and then same on here, 0.2 for green, 0.4 for purple, and 0.4 for yellow, 0.4 for yellow. And then how many outcomes are there all together? Well, that's just how many branches do you have at the end really, so it's going to be 6. Now it's going to be 6 because you can have red green, you can have red purple, red yellow, you can have blue and green, blue and purple, and blue and yellow, so you get 6 outcomes altogether when you look at that one. What I would also do, if I was doing this on paper, is I would write those things at the end, red, green, red, purple, so RG, RP, RY, BG, BP, and BY, and I would also, at the end, multiply these two together, so I'd do 0.7 times 0.2 is 0.14, and I'll put that at the end as well, and that's for follow-up questions, the reason I'll do that. You don't need to do that for the marks though. The marks on a tree diagram, probability tree diagram, just for this bit, so filling in these numbers on the branches of the tree. So that's all that one is. Let's mark it, hopefully that's right. Yep, looks okay to me. So see summary, and then we've got 100%, and that's what we're aiming for. So nice quick video on making tree diagrams. Hope it helps. Bye now.